If you're dreaming of studying abroad, here's the truth. You can get a scholarship, but it won't happen by luck. There's a system to it, and most people never learn it. I'm going to break down the 8 steps that work. Quick, clear, and real. Let's go. The first rule: apply for every scholarship you can find. You're thinking, of course I know that, but most students don't follow through. You know how many scholarships go unclaimed every year? $100 million. That's right, $100 million. And the reason? Students don't apply. Sure, apply for big ones like the Chevening or the Irish government scholarships, but don't skip over the smaller ones. Even $1,000 can help. Step 2 is simple. Email the universities directly. Have you got a scholarship offer from another university? Great. Tell the admissions committee at the university you want to attend and ask for additional funding. Most universities have hidden scholarships they won't mention unless you ask. Worst case, you don't get more. Best case, you get funded. Be bold. Ask. Step 3. If you don't know where to start, ask ChatGPT. Simple. Tell me all the scholarships available for your course at university. ChatGPT will list them for you. Use this shortcut instead of hunting through thousands of links. Step 4. Apply early. Time is critical. If you apply at the last minute, your chances drop. Universities told me this straight up. Early applications increase your chances. Apply in round 1, not round 2 or 3. You're aiming for the best opportunities, so be on the ball. Step 5. Follow us here on YouTube and Instagram. We post about scholarships. The more you know, the better your chances. Step 6. Your essay matters. If you're in a competitive field, especially as an engineer, you need a standout essay. Take your time. Write it over weeks, not days. Think deeply. What sets you apart? What's your unique angle? A killer essay can be the difference between a rejection and a scholarship. Step 7. Talk to current students. They know which scholarships are available and how to apply for them. Reach out, ask for tips, share ideas. People often don't know about scholarships that are right under their noses. Step 8. In extreme situations, start a GoFundMe campaign. Be honest, explain your need, and share your story. There are people out there who want to help. You'd be surprised at how many support these causes. So those are the 8 steps. Apply for everything, ask for help, be strategic, and never settle. No one's going to hand you a scholarship, but with the right moves, you'll get there. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on studying abroad. Until next time, keep aiming high, and let's make those dreams happen.